The NEXES Control Premade series for filling and sealing premade stand-up pouches and bags from Allied Flex Technologies. The NEXES Premade machine design is based on advanced servo technology, patented operational automation, ease of operation, automatic size changes, and low maintenance requirements. The NEXES is suitable for the packaging of all types of products in premade heat-sealable bags. Their unique configuration allows for a high-quality weld with long sealing times. They can pack from 95-gram bags to 5-kilogram pouches and include doypack, stand-up pouch, and flat-bottom bags. The NEXES comes in 3 models. The premade simplex standard fills up to 60 pouches per minute. The premade simplex large fills up to 50 pouches per minute and up to 15 kilograms of product. And the premade duplex fills up to 100 pouches per minute. The NEXES system's features: Hygienic sanitary design, options IP65 and IP69K. Automated size format changeover. High-capacity premade pouch and bag magazine. Compact, open architecture for excellent accessibility. Reliable, efficient packaging productivity. Output up to 60 pouches per minute for simplex and 100 pouches per minute for duplex. NEXES also offers a turnkey solution that includes a product elevator, a multi-head scale, a platform, metal detector, and check weigher. Premade stand-up pouches and bags simplify the packaging process, particularly when you need the flexibility of running multiple sizes or a variety of flexible packaging styles and package formats. The NEXES Control Premade series for filling and sealing premade stand-up pouches and bags from Allied Flex Technologies.